in this week's video, we're going to be unboxing this. This is a Roccbox from Gozney. Now the guys over at BBQ Land have been very, very kind and supplied this for us to do an unboxing. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Roccbox. We've also got the wood burner attachment to do with it too. We're going to set it up and we're going to do our very first cook on it and let you know what I think. So let's get started. Now this one comes in two colours. It comes in a black grey colour or an olive version. We've got the olive version. Okay, so right away, first off, this is the attachment for the gas burner, and then we've got the pizza oven itself. So as you can see, this is the green version. I preferred it to the black version. I think it just gives it a little bit more colour. So it says on the side it reaches an incredible 500 degrees centigrade. It's got a safe touch silicone jacket. So like some other pizza ovens which are made of metal, this one's made of a silicone jacket. It's ready to use from unboxing, which is good because we're going to use it today. It's portable and you get a 5-year warranty. So immediately, right out of the box, we've got some instruction manuals. Comes supplied with a premium pizza peel. It's a perforated one as well, which is good. And you get a nice little bottle opener as well. Alright, so next we've got some polystyrene to remove. So it's really well packaged, it's nice and protected in here. Then a paper piece, and then the oven itself. Now I don't know how heavy this is going to be to take out. There we go, wow, look at this. It's nice that it comes with this carrying strap as well. That's going to be handy for making it more portable if you're taking this camping or on a trip somewhere. Let's unfold the legs. There it is with the legs unfolded. You can see it's quite tall. Instantly the weight of this oven, it does feel quite heavy, but that's because the amount of insulation packed in here. So as you can see, if we turn it upside down here, it's a nice stainless steel underbody here. So this section under here is where you insert the gas burner or the wood burner, depending on what fuel you want to cook on, as this is a multi-fuel oven. Now that fits directly underneath and supplies you with a nice, easy to use gas burner. Also with this one, you can get the wood burner attachment, which is this one here. And then the wood burner itself. Now, it seems to me that this door opens on the back here. That's where your wood or your charcoal goes in. And that's where the airflow goes in, up here and over the top of the pizza. So that's the Roccbox unboxed. For this first cook, we're going to be cooking on gas. So let's get the gas attachment on and fire it up. So the first time you fire your Roccbox up, you're supposed to turn the gas down to the lowest setting and leave that for 30 minutes. And then you can turn it up to the highest setting to bring it up to the full temperature for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So I just watched some of that first footage back and realised that the audio's all messed up, so yeah, sorry about that. But we've lit the oven, so it's going to take about 40 minutes, I would have said, to come up to temperature. So we'll check back in about half an hour and see how we're getting on. So the oven's been running for about 30 minutes. You can see we've started to get some discoloration. That's probably just a bit of the factory burn off that happens. The thermometer on the side is reading between 300 and 400 degrees centigrade. So we're going to check the stone temperature with our thermometer. So our thermometer, if you can see that, is reading at 458 degrees. So it's definitely hot enough to cook a pizza. So we're going to go and get our first one. So we've got our pizza ready here. The stone was getting a bit too hot actually, so I just turned the gas down a little. So I'm just going to turn that back up now, so we're on a full flame, and we'll get ready to launch this pizza. So I'm really liking this peel actually. It's nice and lightweight, it feels good in the hand, and it's nice and smooth, perforated as well, so it lets off any excess flour. So for the pizza today, we've gone for a Parma ham, olive, mushroom, and what was it, mozzarella as well on there. And the dough that we've decided to use today was a pre-made frozen dough, because we just didn't have time to make our own dough last night, unfortunately. Wow, this is cooking really, really fast. It smells amazing. The base is getting nice and crunchy. Look at this already. That's incredible. One more side and I think we're done. Wow, look at this. That looks amazing, and let me tell you, it smells great as well. Just come around this side, try not to burn myself. Whoa, look at that. So I just took this inside to slice it up for a taste test. Let's find a good piece here with lots of toppings. So the base is really well cooked. It's nice and crunchy. There's some nice leoparding here on the crust, and those toppings are all nicely cooked as well. Wow, that's really, really good. The nice thing about this oven as well is it's so well insulated. Now that it's up to temperature, it'll stay hot for ages. This is great if you're going to be cooking more than, say, 3 or 4 pizzas, if you're having a party, something like that. You're not going to have those temperature drops every time you put some fresh dough on the stone. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to order one of these for yourself, check out the links in the description below. And thanks very much also to the guys at BBQ Land for supplying this oven. See you next time for more pizza making videos.